Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can copy contacts from Android to SIM. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, first thing first, you're gonna simply open up your contacts app. I'm gonna go search it up. So contact, tap on contacts app right over here, and then tap on this three dot given over here on the right section. Then go to settings over here. Once you're in the contacts settings, you will find this option of import contacts and export contacts. So if you would like to simply copy it to your SIM, you're gonna have to export your contact. You can tap on export contacts, and now you can see all contacts to internal storage or SIM1. You're gonna choose your SIM, and then you're gonna simply select all of it, and then you're gonna tap on done, and all of your contacts from your contact list will be simply submitted to or transported to the SIM card of yours. That's all it takes. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.